Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to do this fluted door. Okay. So for fluted door, very easy. You just select this one, then right click. Select this one, right click. Door panel, panel type. Come to door call. Then choose the door only, or we choose this one, or shutter door, legend. Okay. Choose. After that, we do some modification. Select it. Okay, here you change it -1, or this is the gap. Okay, then this one, how many? I put 10 or 10. So make it more fluted or like this. Okay, after that, very simple. We just select this one, delete, select this one, try to rotate it first. Maybe this one I put how many? 90. This one, okay, 90. Okay, so you can see it fit on the size. Okay, make it go down a bit lah. Go down a bit. Move left, up, down, up, down. You should click on here, then only you know lah, because we rotate already. So it's to the right side, then maybe -10. 0 up, down, -10. See, or maybe -5. Okay, should be fine lah. You adjust yourself this one. Okay, 2. And this one here, we're gonna do that same thing also. Just right click, style painter. Oh, cannot come the style, never mind. I'll just open it up. Door panel. Choose the door call. Okay, choose this one also. Do the same thing. Select it or change it -1. Then here put 10. Make sure the door like this. Then this one we rotate first. Or rotate first. Okay, same. We 90° rotate. Okay. Then follow back the size. Just now the size is how much? This one. Follow the previous size. Okay, never mind. I got calculator. Note down this one. The size 800 and 300 height. Okay, 300 height. So here, just do the same thing. Make it this one is here, so make it 300 wide. Then the height we change it to 800. That's your look like. Okay, then you need to move it. Okay, of course this one move it to 800 here. Okay, so I might need to use move. Or this one you cannot use Z button, remember. Or if you use Z button, right, you will move the whole cabinet. Okay, so do not use Z button. Or click on here, use this one, left or right. Okay, so I move it 800. Okay, maybe -800. Okay, then I move it up. Okay, up 300. Simple as that. So after that, select it, Control V, you will see one. Same thing, we're gonna move it left or right. Move to the right, 800 -800. Sorry, 800. Then move it up 300. Okay, so they complete. Ta-da! Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.